Here we have a Heil unit running. The model number is NAC06068 NAC060AKA1. Serial number is L0123197555. So I'm going to assume this is from 2001. It lost the Heil label that was on the front. There's actually another unit at this building, although I don't think that unit runs anymore, that I actually have a Heil label off of, because the clips that would hold it onto this protective thing, I think that is right there, were broken, so it fell off. And I found laying on the ground, those clips were broken, so I just took it home with me. But as you can see, it puts out quite a lot here. But yeah, a 2001 Heil unit, and this is at Grissom High School. Over and out.